Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply remove text from a photo in Gimp. So it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just put your photo onto your project. And from here, we are going to use the healing brush tool. Now, that's going to be this tool right here. Just right click on it, make sure that you have select healing. And then you could adjust the properties the way you want to, but in my case, to make things a lot easier, I'm going to increase the hardness to something like 45 and increase the size of my brush to this big. Right after, it's really crucial to get a sample first. So to do that, you want to press and hold Control on your keyboard. And from here, you could get a sample of the color that you want to replace it with. So in my case, I'm going to be getting it from the sky itself, which is going to be this one. And now that we have our sample, by pressing Control on our keyboard and clicking on the sample itself, let's then hold left click to go ahead and brush over the objects right here. So once again, you could just go ahead and do this until you go ahead and remove the text altogether. And so guys, that's how easy it is to do. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.